Main raw materials of AAC are calcium materials and siliceous material mixed with foaming agent and other additives. Sand is fed into water ball mill through the belt conveyor for making slurry. The mixer device can mix the slurry continuously without deposition. The pouring mixer can mix the slurry for producing AAC with density from 300 kg per meter squared to 700 kg per meter squared. The lifting pouring head efficiently eliminates big bubbles and prevents the oil layer from being washed away. Bubble treatment machine ensures uniform distribution of bubbles in slurry. The automatic batching control system ensures the accuracy and reliability of batching operation. The mesh welding machine can weld the mesh with the straightened reinforcing bar automatically according to the specified specifications and shapes. After welding, meshes are fixed on the saddle frame by H-steel sheet or plastic clamp. The mesh cages are transported by the saddle frame cycle system to the anti-corrosion and drying treatment section, and then wait for inserting into slurry. After pouring, the steel mesh cages are inserted into the slurry by the saddle frame, and then transported by ferry car to the pre-curing room. The temperature of the pre-curing room is around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. The needles will be taken away from green cake after pre-curing. Then the cake will be transferred to the cutting section. After pre-curing, the mold is transferred to the demolding machine. The special crane hydraulic lifting and gear rack mechanical forced synchronization can ensure the synchronism of the demolding and lifting action of the mold without any destroy of cake. The surface cutting device of the cutting machine adopts the combination of 3 steel wires and 2 scrapers to cut the both sides surface of green cake smoothly. The cutter of grooving machine can be changed according to the production requirement, or make the concave and convex grooves on both sides of the panel. The cable-stayed beam horizontal cutting machine can cut thin panel with thickness of 50 mm smoothly without any settlement cracks. The vertical cutting machine is equipped with the gear rack synchronization mechanism and the whole lifting frame form, which avoids shaking or distortion of the cake. The high-precision guideway slide can ensuring the cutting effect. The side plate will go through the side plate cleaning machine to the station of demolding machine for mold combination. After combination, the empty mold will go for reusing after being automatically oiled. The semi-finished product stacking machine transfers the green cakes together with side plates on the 3 mold curing car. After grouping, 3 molds curing cars will be pushed into the autoclave for curing 10 to 12 hours under 200 degrees Celsius, 1.2 megapascal. Steam and autoclave can be reused from each other to save energy consumption. The curing car with white cakes goes to the packing area, and then white cake will be separated by separator. The clamping heads of separator and clamping machine are controlled independently by hydraulic, which can effectively separate or clamp blocks and panel out of one mold. The panel will be transported to the finished storage yard by a forklift. and the remaining blocks continue to be combined and stacked for packing. The packing line combines 2 cakes with a width of 600mm. Then the cake translational machine can clamp them together onto the pallet. The empty pallets are placed on packing line by pallet dispenser. The pallet with cake moves forward along with the packing line. Then the forklift transfers the cake to yard after packing.